Oh, yun no? Nilagok. Quick and easy lang. Later yun no, umiinom. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is BheaCamille, and as you have read in the title, we will create 2 SB drinks at home. I'm thankful because one of my barista friends, Francie, taught me how to create those recipes, and we arrived into 2. We have the Java chip and what's the mocha. I don't consider this as a recipe for a frappuccino because I don't have a frap. So we just need simple ingredients and ingredients that you can just find at homes at sobrang mura lang nila. Hindi mo kailangan talaga bumili ng powder from SB stores. So are you excited? Me too! So let's get started! So for the first one, we will have the Java chip. First we need to have is the Nescafe. So you can use other coffees if you want. So for Java chip pala, I forgot to mention that all these measures are based on a tall size ng SB, which is approximately 354 ml ata yun. So we need for Java chip ay 1 shot of coffee, 2 shots of chocolate. So for 1 shot of coffee, you just need to have 1 teaspoon of coffee. Let's pour water in it. Oops! Whoa! There. So wala akong shot glass, pero na-measure ko na sa mangkok na ito, or deep saucer. Deep saucer? Ang lalim ng saucer. Nasukat ko na to na for 1 shot of glass, ganito rin yung sukat niya. For the next one, yung chocolate powder naman natin. So I'm using Swiss Miss. Swiss Miss? Mura lang yung Swiss Miss, parang per pack, 11 pesos lang siya. Alright, so, we'll just get, for every shot glass of chocolate, you need 2 teaspoons, or basically 1 tablespoon of chocolate. There you go. And we will just add water. And just mix this one. Preferably, warm water yung gamitin nyo. Haluin nyo na lang thoroughly kapag nandun na siya sa mismong glass. And then we'll just transfer sa glass 1 shot of coffee and the other one, first shot of chocolate. Dahil 1:2, kulang pa tayo ng isa, magkukuha pa tayo ng 2 teaspoons of chocolate for another shot of chocolate. There you go. And then just add water. And then there. Just mix them. Just mix them. I haven't tried using Milo or other chocolate powder, but if you want to try, go try. Kung pareho yung magiging lasa nila. But I think Swiss Miss kasi is sweeter than Milo. So we have another shot for chocolate. Let's transfer it. Ah! Oh my gosh! Walang poise! There you go. And then just mix them. So we have our Java chip. Next one, let's proceed to number 2. Mocha, mocha, mocha. And all you need to have is a coffee and a condensed milk. Technically, mocha daw ay coffee, milk, and vanilla. But since I don't have vanilla at home, nag-resort ako sa condensed milk. Nakuha ko naman yung tamang sukat. And the ratio is 2:1. So, 2 shots of coffee and 1 shot of condensed milk. So, first is we have coffee again. And then for each shot of coffee again, diba, ay 1 teaspoon. So, we need 2 shots of coffee. Lagyan muna natin ng tubig to. Ay! Alright. There you go. Mix it. And then pour it. Oh, great. Another another teaspoon of coffee for the second shot. And then pour water in it. There you go. And then mix it. Transfer it to the glass. For the last one, we just need 1 shot of condensed milk. Alright, there. You got your 2 SB drinks at home, Java Chip and Mocha. Kulang na lang ng ice, so I'm gonna get some ice. Kung gusto mong magdagdag ng shot ng coffee, go ahead. Kasi diba sa Starbucks ganun? Minsan nagpapadagdag sila ng shots ng coffee. There! Got 2 drinks already! Tan 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 tan. Joke lang. Cringe. There you go. Okay. This is the Java Chip and this is the Mocha. Kita niyo yung color difference because may chocolate yung isa. Now is the time to taste. Oh, yun oh. Nilagok. Mocha. Mocha, mocha. There you go, guys. I hope that you like the recipe that I have shared with you. Hindi ko alam kung alam na ba ito ng maraming tao at late ko lang siyang malaman. But for some na hindi pa alam yung recipe, you can try this at home. Para na rin natikman mo yung ginawa ko for today's video. Just follow the ratio and then just adjust yung ratio ng coffee and chocolate, coffee and milk. Kung bigger than tall size yung gusto mong timplahin. If you want grande and venti, you just add 1 more shot. Quick and easy lang. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye! Mocha. Parang hindi ako makakatulog.
Oo nga. Sobrang kape.
Okay na ako? Sir, mas later ba ito kaysa dun?
Mas later yun, no? Umiinom.
Mas later.
Bye!